I've waited lifetimes to find you. Now that you're here, I can remind you.
I don't know if I like how bright this makes me look, but hey y'all, it's your girl Kiki and this is Clay's Haven. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Do not be afraid to subscribe because it's lit over here. In today's video, we are getting into a retwist method that I created while I was in Spain because I was always in a rush. The only difference is it's taking me a lot longer to retwist my hair today than it had in the past, and that's due to the fact that I was not correcting my parts. So for this retwist, there's a lot of crossing of strands into the next lock over, so I had to do a lot of corrections. Right now, so far, the back is complete. And the remix method, you like, what is that? What is that? So my remix is I create a 2-strand twist at the root and continue on with the lock process. I adapted to this lock method because, or this maintenance method, because being on ships and trying to get things done in between watch times, or just not having the right means of mirrors while I was over there in Spain because I didn't have my own home. So I was living on the ship and in hotels and with someone else, and you know, just bouncing from place to place, and I just did not have all the materials that I would have had if I was here in my own home. But now that I am, I've still pretty much gotten rid of the clip method. I haven't retwisted my whole hair with clips in a very long time, and one of the main reasons why I do not like that method is because, one, I be forgetting clips in my hair. Like, I go back, take the clips out, and there's still clips there. Like, there's been times, plenty of times, where Rico would be taking clips. Like, oh, it's a clip back there. Or I went to work once, and I had a clip in my head still. So, just to avoid that and to make it easier on myself, I came up with this halfway retwist. It gives micro in a way, or in a sense, or it just basically looks like you're starting a retwist. I mean, a 2-strand twist style in your locks. Oh. I almost knocked the whole display down. Let me show y'all. So this is what the back is looking like. I have it put into a ponytail. This is not the final style. So basically you would just go by each lock, and you know what? Forget the explanation. I'm gonna just show you.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished, nah, I just begun. I ain't giving out no 90 to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? The man, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo. I carry just like a Prego. Beat around with nigga called Petro. Suck it, nigga, shoulda knew it from the get-go. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it. Just lay it. Spin or play it. My hitters don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. They stay with it. I'm okay with it. When it come to me, they'll play with it.
See, on me, yeah, that's something that I stay with. The brothers, they ain't really nothing to play with. Steady chatting when I ran down, she ain't say my hitters gon' bang quick. Come around and get dangerous. Step like bimbo. Stop up to my Timbo. Toes, no, I ain't playing games, no Xbox, Nintendo. Real, no force, I stand on it, that's 10 toe. Pulled up with the big body with the dog tents on the window. He says she's so sweet, they gon' wanna lick the rap off. Let them taste the then I kick out my right after. Got these niggas vexed cause I curve them when I want. Get his wig pushed back if the nigga try to fall.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it, don't play with it. Just lay it. Spin or play it. My hitters don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. They stay with it. I'm okay with it. When it come to me, they don't play with it.
Yeah, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, ride or die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, ride or die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta, just threw on a hoodie, that's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things that started getting tense up. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart fly the phone. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I'll miss ya. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, ET, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, ride or die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Heart still on javelin, baby.